Hello, what is up guys? It's your boy Mo, and today in this video we will be doing Lab 11.2 for Python. We're doing this because I like Python, okay? We're never gonna do JavaScript together, so yeah. Yeah, let's get right into it. Write a Python program that accepts user input of temperature and Fahrenheit. Temperature in Fahrenheit and converts degrees entered to degrees in Celsius. Okay. Degrees entered in Fahrenheit to degrees in Celsius. Requirements: use procedure code, blah blah blah. Use PyCharm. Okay, we get it. Three functions. So these are the main things. Three functions. We have to use message function, user input function, and convert function. Shown in the hierarchy diagram, the message function displays the string literal welcome to the Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. The user input prompts the user prompts for the display username and prompts and accepts degrees in Fahrenheit. The convert function uses the round function and converts the degrees entered to degrees in Celsius. The output it outputs two messages shown in the lab 1.11.2 run program. Okay, so essentially, this is what our program is going to look like. It's going to have a message function, a user input, and then a convert function where the process is going to happen. And then we're going to have to use the run function, the round function to round our answer. And this is what our program is supposed to look like. It's supposed to say, welcome to the Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. Enter your name, Vincent. Hello, Vincent, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. Let's get right into coding, my friends. Sorry, guys. I promise I don't have COVID. I have yeah, I think I have the flu. But anyway, let's get right into it. So first things first, we will use the message. So it's gonna say welcome to the Fahrenheit. Welcome to the Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. So we have DEF. You're using DEF um to tell your Python interpreter that you're gonna write a function. So you're declaring your function called, what's the function called? Let's see over here. MESSAGE message. Okay, we're gonna use brackets. And then within this program, we're gonna print welcome to, oh, sorry guys, let's take Discord out. Welcome to the Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. I don't think I can spell that correctly. Okay, I will try and spell it correctly. FERENHEIGHT. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. I don't really care. To Celsius. You guys can spell it correctly. CEL. Oh my God. CELSIUS converter. So whenever we call our function def message, it will display whatever is in our print function. Up next, guys, we have, it's gonna say enter your name. So with it, you have to ask the user to enter. It says it over here. Prompts the user input prompts and display username. So username meaning enter their name. So the program will ask for the user's name and accepts degrees in Fahrenheit. Okay, so we have to write that in our input function. So we have def input. Oh fuck, sorry. My apologies. No coursing. Sorry about that. User input def user input. Then we have open parentheses. And within this, we're going to ask the user to enter their name. Please enter your name. Please enter your name. And then it's going to say the name. That's weird. Uh, is it supposed to say that it's gonna say the name hello? That enter your okay, so I guess yeah, so we're gonna say the name. I'm gonna say print. Oops. Since we're taking in, we have to use input. My apologies. INPUT input. Then we're gonna put this on name. Print print hello. HELO. I cannot type today, guys. Hello. It's gonna say hello Vincent, so it's gonna be hello name. Or we can just do F string, right? Hello name. Oh, no, we can't say name. We have to say username. Hello you. Oh my God, guys, what am I doing? User NAME username. All right. Now it's gonna take in enter degrees in Fahrenheit. So you have to ask the user for degrees in Fahrenheit. So we're gonna declare a variable name F degrees because I just don't want to spell Fahrenheit. So we're gonna do FDEG is equal to input. Please enter degrees. Oh my God, DEGRES in I don't know how to spell Fahrenheit. FAHREN. HEIGHT Fahrenheit. Um, please enter degrees in Fahrenheit, and then we put semicolon. Since it's gonna be degrees in Fahrenheit, and we have to convert it into a float because it can be like, I don't know, like maybe 50 point something degrees. So we should convert it to float, FLOAT, float. What is this? Okay, so this is a local variable. So on the F degrees and username is only available in our local it's only available in the user input function. It's not a global variable. Okay, up next we have to do what? The convert function uses the round to convert degrees. Okay. So DEF convert, we're gonna do another DEF convert. DEF convert function will take the F degrees, sorry, username, comma, F degree. Okay, the username and F degree. So what we're basically doing, we're passing these arguments, these variables over here. So now our second function would have access to our variable username and F degree, which is Fahrenheit in degrees, okay? And then we're gonna what does it say? It says uh, temperature. So we have to output temperature entered in Fahrenheit is. So we're gonna do print temperature entered in Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. And temperature entered in Fahrenheit is, and we're gonna should do a F string. Temperature entered in Fahrenheit is, we're gonna do F degree. FDG. Okay, so okay, that's fine. Okay, so we have so far we are printing it out up to here. Temperature entered in Fahrenheit is this degrees, and then we have to do the process. So now we do Celsius, CL C. I don't even, dude, I'm so bad at spelling. CELSIUS. CELSIUS is equal to, uh, what is Celsius equal to? Okay, so now we need to have the formula for Celsius, right? So Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. So Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit. So we're gonna do F degree, Fahrenheit degree minus 32, minus 32. You're gonna put that in parentheses. Okay, that's fine. Put that in parentheses. Times 5 divided by 9. Times 5 div 9. I'm gonna put this in parentheses as well. All right. Yeah, and then we wanted to say name 20 degrees in Fahrenheit is equivalent to, okay, so we're gonna do print f string name, print f string name. Oh my God, sorry, username. Because we since we have the user's name into the variable username, we're gonna have to use username here, and we cannot use name because we have never declared the name variable anywhere. Yeah, we're gonna do username 20 degrees, username comma 20 degrees. So 20, it should be stored in our fdig variable f underscore, so fdig 20 degrees, degrees. Hopefully I spelled that correctly at least. 20 degrees in Fahrenheit is equivalent to, in Fahrenheit, FAHREN is, yeah. If I'm spelling my English wrong, I'm sorry guys. You guys can fix it. Equivalent to Celsius. CE Celsius equivalent to Celsius degrees in Celsius. All right, that should be it, pretty much, right? Oh, why are we getting underline? Okay, so yeah, so our line is too big, so we're just gonna do a backslash, and then because since our line is too big, our program cannot be read properly. So we just do a backslash for a new line, and we just put enter, so it moves on to the next line. And then it's gonna ask you enter Y to start over, or enter N to exit. Okay, so that's gonna use the if else statement. But now, for now, let's just run this. Oh, we're gonna use if underscore underscore main underscore underscore is equal to string. Oh no, sorry guys. I think it's gonna be name underscore 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 main underscore underscore, and okay, 2 equal sign. Then we call our message function. Okay, so if we run this, right, uh, only the print, only line two which should print. It says welcome to Fahrenheit to Celsius converter, right? That's all it's gonna print. Now within our first function, we call our second function, which is user input, right? So in order to do that, we simply write user input. So now our first function, after our first function is done executing, line 3 is going to call our second function, which is user input. Now, if we run this again, let's see what happens. So our first function executes, which prints welcome to Fahrenheit to Celsius converter, and then it calls our second function, and then our second function starts to execute, which on line 7 is asking for our name and storing it in the variable username. So we're gonna write what do we put for our username? I don't know. Kobe, and then it should say hello Kobe, which is line 8. And then now it's gonna ask for the Fahrenheit in degrees. So Fahrenheit in degrees, we're gonna do, wait, let's do the same thing we did here. We're gonna do 20 degrees, okay? We're gonna do 20 degrees, and nothing happens because that's it. That's all there is to it, right? Now after this happens, after our second function runs, we want the second function to call our third function, which is convert, right? So we're gonna write convert. Why are we getting an error here? Let's see over here. That's weird. We're gonna do username, comma fdig. Oh shoot. Okay, so yeah, so let's run that and see what happens. So please enter your name. We're gonna write Kobe. So, oh, sorry guys, I didn't explain. What I did was I just did the arguments. I just put the same arguments that I put on line 13 on line 10. Okay, so we're gonna do Kobe. Enter your Fahrenheit in degrees. I don't know what they use. They use 20. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so now the third function executes, which says temperature entered in Fahrenheit is 20 degrees Celsius. Kobe, 20 degrees in Fahrenheit is equivalent to -6. So should be something, yeah. So equivalent to -6.67 degrees in Celsius, right? Now we have -6.666667. We don't want this junk right here. So in our case, we're gonna use the round function because our professor told us to do so. So what we simply do is we run Celsius through round. Okay, guys? So what do you have to do, right? You have to run Celsius through round. So let's see over here. We can do round. Before we print line 17, we can run Celsius through round. So we can do round. We're gonna do Celsius, comma 2, because we want, since this is two place values, we want to run it through 2, so we're gonna put comma 2. Let's rerun the program and see what happens. We're gonna do mo this time, 20, same thing. And it's still giving us that same error, which is equivalent to 6.6666 blah 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 blah. Let's see how we can fix this. Let's see if this works now. Hopefully it works. Oh my God, mo 20. Yeah, it worked. So what do you simply do, right? Instead of declaring it on top, you put your round function within the f string. So you can do round Celsius, comma 2. I don't know why the other function did not work when we put it on line 16, but this should work for you guys. So try it out and see what happens. But we're still not done, guys. We have to use if else statement, right? We have to use if else statement. So if in case if the user wants to rerun the program and enter Y for yes, then it looks like it's an uppercase Y, right? Okay, it really doesn't matter what they use. We're gonna convert it to lower anyway. So we have to use if else statement to see to figure out how we can solve this. Oh my God. All right, let's go ahead and run our if else statement here, guys. So if sorry, we after this, let me see how this is running. Enter Y to start over and to exit. So I'm gonna write print enter Y to start over. Let me see the syntax, the thing here. Start over or and to exit or and to exit. So we're entering Y to start over and to exit, right? And we should get this as input because we're getting it as input, and then we're going to store this in user answer, user underscore answer. So now we do our if else statement, right? If let me see what our manager wants us to use. It says, yeah, use if else statement. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So if user answer is equal, oh, sorry guys. So over here, right, we're gonna use dot lore. We can use a dot lore function um so that whatever the user enters, either it's a Y or N, uppercase or lowercase, it's gonna auto convert the user's answer to a lowercase and then store it in user answer variable. So now if our user answer is equal to Y, a lowercase y, then we recall our message function. Yeah. Else what do we say? If they say no, it says thank you name, and then we're gonna exit, right? We're gonna do thank you. We're gonna write print thank you. Thank you name. We're gonna do F string variable here. Thank you username. Thank you username. And then we're gonna exit. We're gonna do a quit function. Nice. Should be our program. But you guys have to fix the formatting because I'm not gonna do it for you. Yeah, this is just like for you guys or for me to better understand. We're gonna do Tommy this time because Tommy is nice. Tommy, and then it says Tommy, please enter the degrees in Fahrenheit. We're gonna run 20 degrees, which will say 20 degrees is equivalent to negative 6 point blah 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 in Celsius. Type yes to start over and no to no. So we're gonna do yes this time and see what happens. Yes, it's gonna say the same thing over again. Enter your name, Tommy. We're gonna do 20, and then we're gonna do no. We're gonna do N. And thank you, Tommy. That's it, guys. I really hope this helped. If it didn't, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, guys. See you later. Make sure to do this in PyCharm and do all the charts in pseudocode. This is just the main code so that, I better understand and I can hopefully help even some of you guys. Have a good night, guys. Please like my videos. I need money, please. Bye-bye.